Hi everyone, welcome to Millennial Tech. Thank you for joining me today. Today we'll see how to download Java and install on a Windows machine. So let's just get right into it. At the time of this video recording, the latest version of Java is 12.0.2, the standard edition. To install Java on a Windows machine, first you need to download the binaries from Oracle website or Java website. So just do a Google search on Java download and go to the first website that you see. So like I said, at the time of this video recording, the latest version is Java Standard Edition 12.0.2. So now click on Java Downloads. So since we are installing on a Windows machine, you can download the latest binary that you need. I'm gonna download the exe version of it. So if you want to download the zipped version, go ahead and download it, unzip it, and you should be able to follow the same steps to configure it. So I'm gonna download the exe version. Just click on this link right here, but you have to click on accept and click on download. I've already downloaded the jar, so I'm not gonna download it again. So if you go to your downloads, you should see the jar right there. So you can now, to start installing it, just double click and open the jar, and Windows security pop-up will pop up, and click S, and that will bring up the installation window. Just let's give it a couple of seconds here. So since I've already installed Java on my machine, it's complaining that do you want to reinstall, since the Java version is already installed. So just to show you guys how to do it, I'm gonna do a reinstall, but the steps are pretty much same. Just hit next until you finish the installation window, and that will take you through the Java installer. So this is the Java installer, and click next and just leave the default folder. I don't usually change it, so if you want to change it to a separate location, you can go ahead and do that too. Click on change, and that will take you to take you to another window, and you can just browse through whichever location that you want, create a new folder, or go to point it to a separate folder that you want. You can do that. But I'm gonna, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna leave it to the default settings and click next, and that's gonna install Java on the machine. So it's pretty straightforward, and once you install, you can click on next steps to see like how to configure it on the machine, but I'm gonna walk you through that. So just by installing the software doesn't mean that Java is still available on the machine. So if you go to your shell and type in Java, you still don't see that Java is installed. To configure Windows to pick up the installed binary Java binaries, you have to configure it on system settings. So just open your Windows button and search for control panel, and go to the control panel. So on the control panel, just click on system and click on advanced system settings. That will pop up advanced system settings window. Here click on environment variables that you see. So here you need to point the path variable to the install Java binary path. So if you double click on it, so these are some of the entries that's already there. I have some Git, .is Git installed, and um, um, Node.js and Git and some other softwares installed. So similar to that, you have just for Java, you have to manually add the uh, environment variable entry. So let's do a new, and here let's go to C drive, to the place where we install Java program files, and go to Java, and you see that we installed 12.0.2 JDK. So go inside the folder and open bin. So you will see multiple other folders. I will not get into the details of what these folders are. Maybe we'll do another video on it. But for now, just open the bin folder where the binaries are stored for Java, and copy that path from here and go back to your previous window and do a new, sorry, I think that the previous one just went off. So put your the copied path for Java, the installation path directory of Java, and click OK. That will add Java to the um, environment path of the Windows machine. And while you're here, you can also configure Java home variable, which is used in used by several other softwares. Like if you want to run Tomcat or other Java-based softwares, it usually points to a variable called Java underscore home. So you can put the same path in here, and since it's home, I'm just gonna remove the binary and click OK. So that will oh, there's backslash. You can leave it, but just let's keep it clean. All right. So now you're pretty much done. Your Java is successfully installed and configured. So if you now go back and open your shell window again, this time when you type in Java, you should see the Java prompt pop up, which means Java was installed. And let's do Java version. Oh, sorry, my bad. Let's do Java dash dash v. Oh, again, my bad. It's just minus v. Okay. Well, it's not picking up. Funny. This is embarrassing. Alright, let's try to figure this out together. It should be Java version. Let's do dash dash version here. There you go. Alright. So, like we installed, it's Java 12.0.2, and that's it for now, guys, and you should be all set. You can go ahead and run your Java binaries or Java code base that you have. You can compile even Java's compiler. Java C should be available. So this will help you compile the Java code. We'll get into more details in the future videos on how to write Java code and compile it and run it on Windows machine. And yep, so that's it for today, guys. If you have anything, any questions, or if you want more videos like this, please don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel. And thank you again. So for more such tutorials and videos, you can visit millennialtech.com, and here you will find a lot of such useful tips and software tools and installation and reviews, a lot about software and data science and machine learning. So I will try to do more and more videos in the future. That's it for today. Thank you for joining. You have a good rest of your day. Bye bye.